Hi, this is Chris Gould with Geeks on Tour, and this tutorial video is about backing up the photos that are currently on a hard drive on your computer, getting them up to your Google account, Google Photos in the cloud, using the automatic software called Backup and Sync. First, you have to go get it, and it is in your Google Photos on the three-line menu, and at the bottom, App Downloads, Backup and Sync, and you click Download. So this is just getting the software. Now you might have your own method, but I usually put downloaded software into my Downloads folder, and I make a folder called Backup and Sync. Once it's downloaded, you click on the little up arrow. This is if you are using the Chrome browser, which I do recommend because the Chrome browser is by Google and all these other products are by Google. It will work better. Open is how you install it. You have to say yes when you're prompted for permission. Installation is complete. That's the software onto your computer. You now have a little cloud icon in the lower right-hand corner in your sys tray, a cloud icon with an up arrow. If you hover over it, it says Backup and Sync from Google. Not signed in, it's just installed. Click on that and then get started. Sign in. Now I'm going to use our imaginary friend account. And this second question is whether you want to back up just photos and videos or all file types. You need to understand Backup and Sync is actually a Google Drive utility, with Google Photos being a secondary purpose. So I only am interested in backing up my photos. The second thing that comes up is, all right, from your laptop, choose folders to continuously back up to Google Photos and Google Drive. Now, I would want to make sure that Documents and Desktop are not checked, because I know that all of my pictures are in the Pictures area. If this program also backs up pictures it finds on the desktop and Documents, you might get a lot of duplicates, a lot of pictures that are not your memories. You can also unselect all of those and just choose a specific folder. Like Camera Roll or Picasa. This is a brand new computer for me, so I don't have too many pictures in here. But if you just select a particular folder, then that is what will get backed up. Next, you can change backup photos and videos to all files, and you can choose whether or not to include screenshots and raw files. Let's see what advanced settings is. You can tell it to ignore certain files. High quality is the default size, and that is what we recommend because that gives you free unlimited storage. If you choose original quality, it will go against your quota of 15 gigabytes of free storage that Google gives you. All right, and that's it. You click Start, and you will see the little icon in the lower. It says Backup and Sync is setting up, and when the little arrow starts spinning, it is working. It is backing up the photos on this computer to the designated account in Google Photos. We could open Google Photos, but I'm not now. I want to show you how you would get back. If you change your mind about any of the settings you set, you click on the little cloud icon that means backup and sync. Notice when I click on it, it is showing me what it's doing, so you can watch its progress. And you can go straight to Google Photos from here or straight to Google Drive. The 3 dots is Settings. All sorts of settings in here. Preferences is what gets you back to those screens that we went through to start with. And to change the account, you would go into this Settings. You would have to disconnect this account in order to start another one. Google Drive is a whole other world, and we're not getting into there in this video. But on my laptop, you make sure to select the photos that you want, the folders that you want to be uploaded, the high quality, removing items. Realize this is not just backup, this is backup and sync. So if you want, you could have it so that when you delete a picture from the computer, it gets deleted from your Google account and vice versa. I do not want that. I want to upload my pictures to Google Photos and not get synced in the deletions after that. But you can choose remove items or ask me. You do need to check this little box. I mean, it got checked automatically when we told it we wanted to upload pictures to Google Photos. But if that is not checked, they will just get uploaded to Google Drive. Notice this message up here. Continuously back up to Google Photos and Google Drive. If I uncheck that, it still says continuously back up to Google Drive. So if you want them up to Google Photos, you need to have that box checked. And that's it for now.